Hey, are you tired of paying way too much for a pair of gloves or mittens? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you what I think are the best ski or snowboard gloves for under 50 bucks. Let's get it. Hey, I'm John with JohnLaGuardia.com, and if you're into the outdoors for photography, skiing, mountain biking, hiking, camping, backpacking, those sorts of things, you're in the right place. On this channel, I do tutorials and reviews with tips and tools for outdoor adventure. So if you're new here, welcome, and please consider subscribing. Okay, so thanks for joining me here down by the Poudre River here in Colorado. It's fantastic scenery. I could stay here all night. This is awesome. But we're really here to talk about the truck trigger gloves, or are they mittens? I'm not sure which one, but they have the warmth of mittens with also the dexterity of a trigger glove. Really fantastic. You can see here they have this great material on the top that keeps the wind out and the warmth in, which is fantastic. They have this Velcro strap. You can tuck the jacket in underneath or put it over the top, whatever you prefer. They are reinforced in the palms, which is good too. They have the clasp on the end so you don't lose them when you're in the lodge or whatever. And I think these will probably be my go-to gloves for this season. But stick around on my channel and keep an eye out for another video that I'm going to do comparing these to the OR Research finger gloves, and I think you'll be surprised at the price of those versus the price of these. These come in under 50 bucks. I think they're 47, 49 bucks, somewhere in there. So a little pro tip, this is Obanoff's heavy duty leather preservative, and if you rub this on the gloves, this will really help extend the life. It'll reduce cracking, it'll make them more water resistant, and it's just fantastic stuff to make those gloves nice and soft. So check that out when you purchase the gloves online, and get yourself one of these 1 ounce bins that will last you a whole season. And the reason these gloves are so cheap is that Truck is able to produce these without having a middleman. So they sell direct to the consumer, and they're able to sell a much higher quality glove for a lower price. Definitely check these out, give them a try. This year, I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. I'll put a link in the description down below. Well, thanks for joining me, and we'll see you in the next one.